Welcome to an extensive exploration of innovative energy psychology techniques for modern practice, a key component of empowering transformation, mastering the art of energy healing and energy psychology. This session delves into the latest advancements and innovative practices in the field of energy psychology, providing you with an understanding of cutting-edge techniques and their applications in modern therapeutic settings. Energy psychology, evolving since the 1980s, has witnessed significant advancements in recent years. These innovations are a response to the growing need for holistic approaches in mental health and the increasing recognition of the mind-body energy connection in well-being. One of the significant trends is the integration of technology in energy psychology practices. For instance, biofeedback devices, which measure physiological responses like heart rate and skin ductance, are increasingly used alongside traditional techniques to provide real-time feedback and enhance treatment efficacy. Studies, including a 2018 publication in Applied Psychophysiology and Biofeedback, have demonstrated the effectiveness of biofeedback in reducing symptoms of anxiety and stress. Building on the foundations of EFT and TFT, advanced tapping techniques have been developed. These include matrix reimprinting, created by Carl Dawson in 2006, which combines EFT with memory reprocessing. This approach has shown promise in addressing deep-rooted traumas, as evidenced by a 2017 study in the Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease that reported significant improvements in PTSD symptoms among war veterans. Another innovative approach is the use of heart rate variability, HRV, training in conjunction with energy psychology methods. HRV, a measure of the variation in time between heartbeats, is an indicator of autonomic nervous system balance and resilience. A 2019 study in Frontiers in Psychology highlighted the role of HRV in improving emotional regulation when combined with energy psychology techniques. The use of virtual reality, VR, in energy psychology is an exciting development. VR environments are being used to enhance visualization and relaxation techniques, providing immersive experiences that can deepen the therapeutic process. Research in 2020 by the University of California, Irvine, showed that VR could effectively reduce anxiety and improve mood in controlled settings. Mindfulness-based energy psychology integrates mindfulness meditation practices with traditional energy psychology techniques. This approach aims to enhance self-awareness and emotional processing. A 2021 study in the Journal of Evidence-Based Integrative Medicine found that mindfulness-based interventions, when combined with energy psychology, led to significant reductions in anxiety and depression symptoms. The application of energy psychology in group settings is an emerging trend, particularly useful in addressing collective trauma and community healing. Group energy psychology sessions, as evidenced by a 2019 study in the Community Mental Health Journal, have been effective in reducing symptoms of collective stress and fostering resilience in communities affected by natural disasters. As we look towards the future, the integration of these innovative techniques in mainstream mental health care is expected to increase. The ongoing research into the efficacy and mechanisms of these methods promises to expand the scope and acceptance of energy psychology. With these advancements, ethical and professional considerations remain crucial. Practitioners must stay updated with the latest developments and receive appropriate training to ensure that these new techniques are applied safely and effectively. In this detailed session, you have gained insights into the latest innovations in energy psychology, understanding how these techniques are transforming modern practice. These advancements offer exciting possibilities for enhancing therapeutic efficacy, providing more tools for personal development, and expanding the horizons of mental health treatment. Let's continue to embrace these innovative practices, enriching our journey towards holistic health and well-being.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.